Hello friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. Now, as exams are nearing, I am here to tell you that I host free special live classes for our CS students daily at 7 p.m. Now, how they are free? You can unlock my session by using my code CSJAS. We are doing the preparation of both the subjects, but alongside that, I always come up with new strategies, new tips and tricks sessions as well. So with the same thinking and with the same pattern, I'm here to announce another 2 special live sessions today and tomorrow, that is 19th and 20th March sharp at 7 p.m. relating to tips and strategies. So in today's session, I will be telling you tips to clear CS exams in 71 days. Now you must be knowing that only and only 71 days are left for your exams, and how can you still make it up? How can you still prepare and revise? I will be giving you those tips. And even if you are preparing but still stuck with preparation, not moving anywhere, not moving to revision, very much stuck whatever you are preparing, give me a chance to help you. So I will be telling you effective tips, tricks and strategies on how can you clear CS exams in 71 days. And tomorrow at 7 p.m. I will be telling you the best presentation tips for CS exams. Yes, preparation for exams is not about studying the books, studying the study material, but it is all about how you present it in the exam as well. Like I always tell my students that the sole communication with your examiner is your answer sheet, and that should talk about your knowledge, that should talk about your presentation. So I would tell you presentation tips, the best presentation tips with which you can clear CS exams in June 2022 exams. So make sure you join the sessions. The sessions are totally free of cost. The class links of the session will be in the description box below. So make sure you click on the links and click notify me. Other than that, unacademy offers awesome courses for CA, CS and CMA students. The batch links to the same are also in the description box below. If you go and check and plan to get the subscription, then do use my code CSJAS to avail flat 10% discount. So make sure that you give it a watch and check the subscriptions of unacademy, and make sure that if you take a subscription, do use my code to get 10% discount. So hoping you all meeting at 7 p.m. today as well as tomorrow. Unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS. Bye.